Let's see.
You see, the Sunwell is a font of energy, full of power that has sustained our people for thousands of years.
Whoa.
So it must be protected, and we ask for the light's blessings to keep it safe.
Father, what is the light?
Well, my darling Leadrin.
What actually? I don't even know. The light, is it God? Who's God in the WoW universe? I don't know.
That the light guides my steps and illuminates my path. In a world that is cruel and unforgiving.
Damn.
And when the light flows through me, when I am one with all that is sacred, I know that darkness can never prevail.
But it did. Wait, is that Undercity?
Lady Leadrin,
Alonsus.
walk with me. I've been told we have much to discuss.
War is coming. The armies of the Void will strike soon, and we have reason to believe that it will be at Silvermoon. I need you to send word to the priests, so we can—
Before you were a paladin, you were a priest once, yes?
No, no, no. Light flow through me. Grant me your grace. Hear me, please! Why would you ask that?
Many of the paladins I anointed in life started as priests, trying to find meaning after the war they had just lost. Some sought retribution for all the suffering they had endured. Others tried to bury their pain beneath armor. But it was those who did not find peace in the light who became the most dangerous.
Holy Paladins?
We have a war to prepare for, Alonsus.
And we will be fighting this war together, Leadrin. So I need you to ask yourself why the mere sight of me had you grasping your sword.
Oh, the Scarlet Crusade.
We're just here for him, elf.
Ooh. Okay. Damn. Oh shit. He didn't do anything.
I'm sorry, Alonsus. I do not harbor the hate that they do. It's just echoes of when war came to Silvermoon.
That's fucked up.
Father?
Darkness can never prevail.
Oh, Leadrin, I did not know.
And yet you were right. I became a paladin for every reason you said. Loss, despair, retribution. But when the Sunwell, despite having endured a terrible loss and destruction, was reborn in the glory of the light, so too was my faith and my hope. So I will face the echoes that haunt me and fight for the sacred heart of Silvermoon, knowing that together, with the light by our side, darkness will never prevail.
All right. That was pretty good. Ending was cheesy. Dude, I never thought about, like, what kind of skincare routine these undead, like, Forsaken have to be on. Because for them to look like this, as opposed to, like, you know, these guys, these ghouls, I mean, they got real smooth, nice white skin. Smooth. The other guys are fucking skins fall. Look at this shit. How does that not happen to, like, Forsaken?